The Sahara Desert appears as an endless expanse of silence. There are no cities here, no roads, no familiar landmarks. At first glance, it seems empty and lifeless. But that very impression is what makes it deadly dangerous. The Sahara is the largest hot desert on Earth. Its area is comparable to that of entire continents. And despite this, people regularly underestimate it. The desert does not attack. It does not pursue. It does not hunt. It simply creates conditions in which an unprepared person begins to lose to nature slowly and unnoticed. The Sahara is located in North Africa and spans more than 10 countries. It was formed as a result of persistent climatic processes. Dry air masses dominate here, preventing clouds from forming and producing precipitation. In some regions of the Sahara, there has been no rain for decades. The average annual rainfall can be lower than in the driest places on the planet. But the lack of water is only the beginning of the problem. During the day, temperatures in the Sahara can exceed 50 degrees Celsius. But the most dangerous aspect of the heat is not the numbers themselves. It is how the heat affects the human body. At high temperatures, the body begins to cool itself through sweating. However, in dry air conditions, sweat evaporates almost instantly. A person loses water without being aware of the process. Thirst is a delayed signal. By the time it appears, the body is already in a state of fluid deficiency. And this is why people in the desert often do not realize how quickly they are losing their strength. In the conditions of the Sahara, a person can lose several liters of water per day, even with minimal physical activity. At the same time, the feeling of fatigue appears earlier than the awareness of danger. Concentration decreases. Thinking slows down. The ability to make decisions deteriorates. The most dangerous thing is that all of this happens without pain and without sharp warning signals. A person keeps moving, believing that everything is under control. During dehydration, the body redistributes its resources. Blood supply to the brain may decrease. This leads to disorientation, distorted perception of distance, and an incorrect assessment of one's own abilities. In the desert, distances appear shorter than they actually are. The horizon line is deceptive. The uniform landscape deprives a person of visual reference points. The brain cannot accurately assess how much time has passed or how much farther there is to go. After sunset, temperatures in the desert can drop sharply. The difference between daytime and nighttime temperatures can sometimes reach tens of degrees. A body weakened by heat and dehydration is not prepared for sudden cooling. Night in the desert does not mean safety. It only changes the nature of the threat. The main mistake people make in the Sahara is overestimating their own strength. Modern technology creates a false sense of safety, but equipment overheats. Navigation systems can fail. Communication disappears. And then there is only the person and an environment that is not designed for human survival. The Sahara does not forgive mistakes because there is no extra time here. The Sahara is not hostile. It simply exists by its own laws. It was not created for humans and does not adapt to them. The desert does not kill intentionally. It simply remains itself. And if a person is not ready,